Hi, Rectoseal has just come out with a brand new AC drain line cleanout device, model SC1. And you're gonna love this. I gotta show you how it works. You can see how small it is. It's a small device, and I'm gonna show you the benefits of this device. So again, you go out here and you're just gonna cut your drain line and you're gonna glue in the device into the drain line. And it does have arrows to show a direction of which you want it to go away from the unit. So you can put it anywhere in the drain line. It could go on an angle. It could go an angle down like this. It could go vertically if you need to put it vertically. Wherever you can fit it in the drain line, you want to get as close to the unit as possible. And if you can put it coming right out of the unit horizontally, that's the best. So let's see how it works. So right now it's set up where the contractor can come out, and if they like to use CO2 or nitrogen, they can hook up their hose to it, whether it's CO2 or nitrogen, if that's what you prefer to use. Here is a line shot CO2 gun from Rectoseal. It's a new product, fits right onto this Cleanout. And what happens, I'm going to show you when you pull the trigger, I'm going to show you, it'll clear this drain line. Let me show you how it works. So if we open up the top, you can see the cam is marked. Lock and unlock makes it very easy. You simply turn these cams and it allows the top cover to lift off, and you can see it's wide open inside, nothing in here to stop any flow or get in the way of any flow. So all you're doing is looking into the drain line at this point. The beauty of it is there's a flapper built into the top cover. Now when you blow in through the using CO2 or nitrogen, it's pushing this flapper closed inside here and sealing off going back towards the unit. And as long as you keep pressure on, you're blowing out that line. As soon as you take the pressure off, flapper opens up and it's a clear path again. And then you simply just put this back on and lock it in. Now, if you don't want to use CO2 or nitrogen, and that's not the way you like to do it, you walk up to the unit, you open the cams, you take the door off. Now, just having this opening allows you or the homeowner to pour in drain line cleaners like Rectoseal New Line, or use tablets like Actabs, Rectoseal's Actabs, and you can put it right in there to keep the line clean. Each one of these devices, these SC1 devices, comes with this adapter. Now this adapter will fit directly in, it fits into two grooves right inside of the drain line, and you just push it down, and now you have a full connection, and you can blow out this drain line using Rectoseal's Mighty Pump or the AC Drain foot pump. That's very popular now, and the hose would fit right on. Either one, the hose will fit right on here nice and tight. You don't have to hold this in place, and you can blow out the line. If you like to use a wet vac, you could even wet vac it from here and do it that way. Any method you want. Then also, if you need to, if you feel there's any debris coming out of the unit's drain outlet, you can go in this way and do what you need to do. So it's fully made for any method you want to use. It just gives you an access. It meets the new code. It's not like putting a T in the line where you're limited. You can't do anything but pouring a chemical. This is a true code-approved access device to get into the drain line and be able to clear and maintain it. Again, you just take this, the arrows are facing away. I lock the cam, and I lock the cam on this side, and you can see we're ready to go. So it's simple. You walk up to the unit, you either hook up your nitrogen or CO2, you blow out the line. Or if you don't want to do that, you take the top cover off, you use the adapter, and you use any method you want, you clear the line. Literally takes seconds to service this drain line. And trust me, up in an attic, you want to walk up there, you'll be very happy to see one of these up there, because that's all you got to do is do whatever you need to do, CO2, nitrogen, or a foot pump or Mighty Pump, anything you want to do, but you already have the access. There's no cutting the lines, nothing. Simple job. SC1 model from Rectoseal and Safety Switch, and you're going to love it. That's it. Thank you.